People of the world, it has been a hot minute. We are sorry about that. We've been incredibly busy. If you can't tell, we are en route right now. We are actually going for our first really big Scottish free flight meet, which we are incredibly excited about. So I thought I would bring you guys along with us. We're going to fly at some Scottish hills near our house and we'll show you guys the location when we get there. Bye! Here with almost everybody. Some people have split up and gone up that way-ish because they have smaller birds and smaller birds need tree cover, but we're going to go see them soon. However, we're doing a lot of flies today. The birds are bloody loving it. The weather is excellent. It's a bit windy if you can't tell by the hair, but you know what? The gusts are fantastic for them. Let's get flying.
Free flight is so much more than just taking your parrot outdoors. The bond you get with your bird is second to none. It's just beautiful to be able to watch them do what they were meant to do and live their life to their full potential. Nothing on earth gives me the same feeling I get when I see my birds outdoors, completely free. This is what we hope parrot ownership standards will become in the future. They don't belong in cages. They deserve this freedom and they need it to fully thrive in captivity.
Parrots need flight to thrive. The joy it gives them is just second to none. Some species fly 15 to 30 miles a day. Who are we to stop that? If you've ever been free flying, you'll know the feeling as your bird comes into land to you. They just look so excited, sort of like a happy toddler. I love seeing that face, and it's something that I could never live without. And I know now that flight is something that they could never live without.
To be honest, the best thing about free flight is knowing that you can actually take your bird outside, let it play in the trees, let it fly in the sky, let it have some freedom, but knowing that you can still get it back and come back to you. It's like teaching my birds free flight has literally saved their lives on 2 separate occasions when they've escaped out of the house, and thanks to their free flight training, I was able to find them again.
The trust that you build and the feeling that you get from seeing your bird soaring through the skies and playing in the wind is honestly incredible. And I really can't imagine my life without free flying my bird, because it allows us to go to so many different places and just enjoy our days outside and meeting so many different people and making so many wonderful memories. It really is just amazing.
I like how free flying enables the bird to acquire skill sets that they were meant to instinctively learn. With our birds, typically canopy flyers, it's great to see them also being able to handle more open spaces. It gives me the confidence that they know how to come back to me, and I know every experience also teaches them confidence in flying.
we have made it home. We have food, tons of food, plenty of food, some drinks. Oh, it's been hectic, but you know what? The birds had a blast, and that's the main thing. They are absolutely exhausted now. Well, they're kind of getting a second wind, but everybody's out having fun. You know, plenty of food, a few drinks, and good times, right? Good weather. That's what it's all about. So yeah, let's join them in the garden, shall we? And we are outside. There's a lot of people here. It is very, very loud, so I'm not going to get a lot of information in for you guys, but say hi to everyone. It has been a day and I am completely done with filming now, but we're gonna say goodbye and we will see you guys at some other point. Look, there's people coming now. Bye!